How to use calculator in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, open app library and then click on utilities. And now here you can see the option calculator. Click on calculator, and after clicking on calculator you can calculate anything. And if you want to remove your amount, then simply click on this AC. And if you want to open your calculator another way, then simply swipe down in control center, and here you see the option calculator. Click on calculator. Your calculator will be open in your control center. And if you want to use calculator in another type, then simply click on this calculator icon and you can select scientific calculator from here. You can use any calculator from here. So this is the way to use calculator in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.